Today I just came home from school and I got my first jumbo squishy ever.
Wow.
It's another one. And
What's that other one on the table?
this one is Joseph's. Because we never showed this in any squishy videos before, so I'm just showing it in this one. He got this like brownie with raspberry on top with like this splatter in the leaf.
Cool.
And then this is just my new one.
Can I see it? Can you turn it around?
Yeah.
Wow. So that's a jumbo?
Mhm.
Slow rise. Okay. You gonna open it up?
Yeah.
All right, go for it.
Ew. Okay. It's hard. It looks so
It looks hard. It's really big. Wow. Is it squishy?
Mhm.
Slow rise. As promised. That's really cool. Do they have names or anything or no?
Well, they're soft and so squishies again, and this is just like this little purple cupcake with this like chocolate heart on it.
Oh, wow. So how many squishies do you have now?
3 plus this one.
Oh, so 4, and then that's Joseph's. So
Yeah.
five squishies in the house. All together. All right, cool. Well, let us see it. Purple and gold. Get that trash off the table. We don't need to see that.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see the label, though. Can I see the label?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Lights out. Power outage. Let me see it.
That's the thing that it was.
Soft and slow squishies. All right. So Lena has a new soft and slow squishy, a giant jumbo cupcake, a surprise that she came home from school because she's been good. She's got a new surprise for when she came home. That was an awesome explanation, I know. Thank you. And Joseph's Brownie is also featured on the table. More soft and slow squishies. The more we get, the more we'll update you guys. Let us know what you guys want to see. And what do you think, Lee? Are you happy?
Yes.
Because you're sitting there like you're in a different world. Are you happy about your squishy?
I'm thinking that it smells like it doesn't smell like anything, but it smells like I can't explain it. Like it was like in this place where there's a lot of chemicals and stuff.
Oh, no. That might not be too good. Well, it's definitely not real. You can't eat it. Maybe that's reminding you not to eat it.
It does. Look, on the back it says don't eat.
Yeah, and the smell too. Maybe it's saying it smells like this so you don't get it confused with a real big giant cupcake. Okay, well, good to see you got some new toys. Anybody have any comments or questions? Let us know. And if you have any ideas for videos, let us know. We're going to have some more videos coming, and we're going to have them playing with toys, stuff like that. But we really would like some suggestions. So hit us up in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, and that's pretty much it. So, bye.
Bye.